My Miele induction cooktop is flashing Fe in 44. How do I correct this? We have finished cooking breakfast. It has stopped flashing itself. There is nothing on the stove top. It appears to be working okay now. Thanks Connie. Overheating Protection Induction Coils / Cooling Elements. All the induction coils and the cooling elements for theelectronics are fitted with an overheating protection mechanism. Before the induction coils or cooling elements get too hot, the overheating protection mechanism cuts in one of the following ways. Induction coils. If the booster function is being used, this will be switched off. The power level will be reduced. The cooking zone will switch off automatically. The fault message FE44 is displayed. You will be able to use the cooking zones again as usual when the fault message has gone out. Cooling elements. If the booster function is being used, this will be switched off. The power level will be reduced. The cooking zones switch off automatically. The affected cooking zones can only be used again as usual once the cooling element has cooled down to a safe level. Overheating can be caused by heating up an empty pan. Fats or oils being heated up on the highest power setting. There being insufficient ventilation to the underside of the appliance. A hot cooking zone being switched on after a power cut. If the overheating protection mechanism triggers again, contact the service department.
Understood. Thank you. Time it took to get answer problem solved itself. Information re possible cause was appreciated, but as it happened I did not need it on this occasion.
No problem. Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.